Hi guys and welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to solve a problem here. So basically, when you have a goal, you need to achieve that. Okay, right? So in order to achieve that goal, you need to do certain task for a particular time period. Like if you have a goal to become the best at something like chess, then the task should be like practicing and committing and then so on and to until you achieve it. Okay, that's the task you should do in a daily basis, and that's exactly we are going to do here. We are using Claude to create task that can be achieved in a can be doing in daily basis for a certain period. We are using that task and import the task enter task to the Notion database where you can automate the task. It will automatically populate the each task in a daily basis, daily, weekly, and monthly basis. So you can achieve that goal in that particular time. Okay, hope you get the idea. So let's get started then, and let's go to the first step. So in first step, we need to create a prompt to Claude so that Claude can generate a particular tasks to do in a daily basis, weekly basis, and monthly basis that can be repeated daily and weekly and monthly to achieve that certain goal. So that's exactly where we are going to use. So I will show you how you can prompt. Let's say first, hey, and call it typing, hi, hello, how can I assist you today? So I already created a prompt, so I don't have to rewrite it. I just show you. So here the prompt. This is an example prompt, and first of all, you should explain what type of thing uh, you need to Claude you need to do. So you need to explain that first. Like this, creating a task can help you achieve my goals for next 2 3 years, and this is have a particular time period. So 2 3 years, and these are tasks can be repeated daily to achieve the goal. Okay. This is the main content of this prompt, and then we have to explain the goal. Then my goal is to become the best content creator in the world of AI tech, and then cautious about the task should be achievable according to the until this time frame, and this goal is something that need to be full concentration. I need my full concentration on. Oh, so remember that too. And then there is output we are expecting, showing the task the in a daily weekly view, but I don't want too many tasks. So I will like cautious about them. Want too many tasks to do daily, weekly, monthly. So cut it short. Each daily task should need 5 tasks minimum. I mean, here 5 tasks means where I don't want to overwork myself. That's why, and any one of you don't want to have any low 10 or tasks to do daily. So that's why I said this. Task maximum which has high priority and important to do in to get the goal, and and the weekly task should have 2 or 3 task, and monthly task should have 1 or 2. Okay, then also a note about myself like 24-year-old and skin prompting, notion template creation, so extra you can add more in the note section of this prompt. So let's send this. Okay. So now you can see Clark's creating a the result. It is saying I will create a focused structure to help you become the top AI tech content creator over the next 2 or 3 years. Here's the balanced approach with this essential high priority task. So first task here is spending 1 hour, 2 hour creating one piece of content in quality AI text research content, video and blog posts and tutorials. Then there is a study AI development. Dedicate 30 to 45 minutes to daily learning about latest AI advancement and tools. Then there is engagement with audience. This is a response to comments, messages, and video content for 30 minutes. Then there is analyze to create studies. Sorry about that. Study successful content creators in the niche for 50 to 20 minutes. And there is also a defined skill. Practice one specific content creation skill for 30 minutes. That's a daily task to do in a daily basis, every day, repeatedly. And we there is a weekly task you can do in once a week. Map out the next week content theme and idea for 1 hour. Then review the metrics across the platform to understand what's resonate. 1 hour. Then reach out to one new AI professionals or creator for potential collaboration. Okay. Then there is a monthly task. You can see there is two strategy tasks, two, three key tasks, and there is five tasks, critical tasks. Okay. So monthly task in two strategic tasks. Then is evaluate your best and worst performance content and identify patterns and adjust strategy. This is something you should do in monthly basis. This is a monthly task here. Then there is learn one new way tool or technique that can differentiate your content. Okay. So these are the tasks. These are the monthly, weekly, and daily tasks you need to do, and this is something you should add to the database of the Notion. So let's go to Notion and create a powerful database where you can work on daily basis. Okay, let's do that. So our next step is creating a database base in Notion. So I create a new page and there we gonna name it task task manager, and then give it a logo. So icon, I mean. Okay. Okay, let's give it a checkbox icon, and then let's create a, you can either create a inline database or full page database. So I'm creating a full page database, so that's why I'm creating a new X page for storing all the database pages we gonna create maybe in the future. So gonna create a new page for database which is called database, and we gonna add icon. Oh yeah, stack icon, and then we gonna create a full page database. Okay, we're gonna name it. Okay, we're gonna name it tasks. Can add icon. Just a checkbox icon, and then we can either brainstorm ourselves to create properties from the properties from in here. You can use properties here, or either you can use suggested. You can see the suggested properties from that Notion suggests. Okay, we gonna use that suggestion database. So first we gonna use the description, where you can add the description about the task we are going to do. Then we gonna add the due date, and then we gonna add a priority level. So here you should write that down: low priority, medium priority, and high priority. Okay, and then let's add a final called status. Okay, and then here we just gonna to give like checkbox, so that can act as a checkbox. Okay. Okay, again we can do this like this. Yeah. Now let's edit the new template. Okay, new template is when I will show you how this works. New task. Here we gonna change the color, and this it's already in correctly arranged by the Notion, so we don't have to do anything particular new. So just leave that there. And our next step is to add the task that we already created in the cloud to Notion template. So and we're gonna automate that each task by its daily, weekly, and monthly based view. So let's get to do that. Let's start that. And these are the tasks that cloud suggested for you can do daily basis to achieve that certain goal. So and we gonna add that task to the Notion template in as a new template. Not just adding as a task, we are going to create as a new template because we will have to repeat this task, right? So let's do that. We copy and paste, copy here and paste here. You can open that and tab on the new template, and here it will load. It's loading out here. Paste your task you have to do. Okay, and now just I am gonna add icon. Okay, so let's add emoji instead. Video emoji. Okay, video emoji, and you have a video emoji which is let's add this. Okay, cool, right? Okay, just like that, and then go here, then select the weekday, and here you have to show this task, certain task, in every day, but just we gonna avoid this Sunday and Saturday because let's take that as an air break. Okay, or you can add that here best by tabbing. Okay, got that? I got it. Now then, and there also this is the starting date. We can set it as today, tomorrow, date, whenever you want to start, and there's also ending date. Okay, you can specify the date here. Okay, and can run off a number here, like setting this to uh 30 to 34 days, or any days you want. Okay, let's set to 100 days maybe. Yeah. Okay, good. Now just check this, check. Okay, and then it's done. Okay, like this we gonna do the same thing for each daily task. Okay, okay, let's do that. As you can see, we create all the 5 tasks here, and you notice that I changed the icon to here. So how did I didn't actually created a new template and then write it over and over, and I just did the what I did was just tap this icon and then duplicate it, then duplicate this and then add the title. That's it. Now we have created the 5 daily tasks you have to do in daily basis. Now let's create a weekly task, the weekly task. Okay, so let's create a new template just like that we did before, and then go to the task. You have to copy the here. Okay, and then paste it here and create a add icon, week icon. So let's create a week icon. Okay, I'm added here, week icon. Okay, different icon, and then tab on here and tab weekday. Yeah, weekday, and then we gonna uncheck all these, and here we only want to show this in a certain day and a certain day in a week. So I selected the Wednesday, where you can see extra one task you can do, that is this, which is a weekly day task. Okay, you can set the tomorrow date and the ending date, and yeah, all that. Okay, like we can either start here and run a 50, no, 100, on a day. Okay, good. Like that we did that. We see here we gonna copy and paste each weekly task, and I will come back after that. Okay, as you can see, we created the 3 main weekly tasks here. Now let's add the monthly task. Here copy, and then create the duplicate this. No, just gonna create a new template. Okay, evaluate, and this icon, different icon. So a monthly icon, I guess. So monthly icon, which is this is a monthly icon, I think. Yeah, let's add that. This is the monthly icon. And now let's go here and then select the month, and then month, and then every one time in 1 month. Okay, select that, and then select on date, which day you want to show this, in the middle of the day, middle of a month, or like let's select the middle of the month. So I gonna select the 20, or the end date 30, 29 maybe. It's perfect. And today, and then where you want to start at around midnight, or that is kind of slow, midnight or 3 a.m. You can select this. I select at the midnight. Then you can select starting date and ending date, as we said, did it earlier. Okay, now just go here. Like this, we're gonna repeat the two tasks. We have one task, that is how here. Yeah, learning more in a board. Let's do that by repeating. As you can see, we created the monthly task, 2 monthly tasks, 3 weekly tasks, and 5 tasks daily tasks. And this task is something when we want to do separate tasks, like it, when you tab here. Sorry, I will set how to set this as an set as default overview. So whenever I just here go here, it will show us like this new task. So this is how we can achieve our goals through a consistent effort of following task with that is provided with the help of cloud. You can follow this method to achieve goals in your life and anything in any part of your life, and it's also really helpful. I tried and definitely tried, and let me know how much it's impacting your life, and through the comments, and I'll be watching and playing for you to reply. And if you really like this video and the method I show here, then please like, subscribe, and I will see you next video. Tada. Tada, bye bye. Thank you for watching.